Today, I'm gonna be surviving for 24 hours in a slime factory. My name is Erin. I work at Peachybbies. We make slime here, and it is currently exactly 9 o'clock in the morning. So my challenge is to be here until exactly 9 o'clock tomorrow morning without anyone who works here knowing that I was here all night. So every day we're here in the factory from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. So for now, I'm just gonna pretend like I'm going about my day normally without leaving the warehouse, making sure I don't step outside. But then the real challenge will start at 5 p.m. when everyone starts going home from work and I suspiciously don't go home from work. So for the next couple of hours, I'm just gonna be taking you guys with me and showing you what I typically do throughout the day. So normally when I first get to work in the morning, I'll just drink my coffee. Film something? Oh yeah.
I just need a quick shot of me outside holding this Lego slime. If that's okay with you?
Yeah, I don't know. I don't think I can help you actually. I got a lot of stuff to do and I'm allergic to rain, so sorry.
Okay.
That was so stupid. I literally almost lost the challenge within the first 5 minutes. So for the rest of the day, I think we should just stay alone and stay away from everybody else and just make some slime. All right, so now that I finished filming that video, I'm gonna go ahead and start editing it. And so normally when I'm editing a video,
do you want to grab some queso and tacos for lunch?
No, I don't like tacos or queso actually.
Okay.
Oh,
no.
I thought it was your favorite. But
No.
okay.
More for me.
Tacos are my favorite food, and I'm gonna be honest, in that moment when they asked me if I wanted to go, I did consider just quitting this whole challenge because they might have been worth it. But you know what? We're gonna stay strong, and I bet there's something in the fridge here at work that we can eat for lunch. So let's take a look. Luckily, here at Peachybbies, we have this fridge, which I believe is pretty much free-for-all food. So even though I might not have anything to eat for lunch, I'm pretty sure this will do the trick. Yeah, I feel like this looks pretty good. So you might be asking, Erin, you're planning to spend the night in a slime factory, right? Cool. Did you pack anything to help you with this challenge, like a pillow, toothpaste, food, maybe? The answer to that question is no. Because if I brought all my stuff with me to the warehouse and just lived in the warehouse like I would at home, that's not a challenge, that's a luxury, and I want this to be a challenge. It's 5. This is where the real challenge starts. All right, Erin, we're gonna head out. You coming? No, I gotta stay late. I got so much stuff I gotta finish. I can't, but you guys have a good night. All right, you guys, everybody's gone. It's just me. I'm alone with all of this. No one in sight. I could do whatever I want. I could make any slime I've ever dreamed of with all the materials you could possibly think of. I could steal a jar of this $10,000 slime that Andrea made. Did you guys know that this was actually a $10,000 slime? It used to be listed on our website as literally a $10,000 slime. So I'm holding in my hands right now $1,000 worth of slime. Sun has pretty much completely gone down at this point, so I'm getting kind of nervous. It's pretty scary to be in this huge warehouse alone after dark, but let's go take a look around. Here it is, all to myself. Endless possibilities. Oh my gosh, let's peek at the restock. Normally, Andrea would kill me for this, but she's not here and doesn't know I'm here, so favorite fuzzy socks. That is so cool. Look at the lines in that. I've never seen that in a slime before. I don't know why, but the warehouse seems so much bigger when I'm here alone. It seems a lot scarier. As you guys probably know, this part of the warehouse is called the slime kitchen, where all of our slimes are created. But I think I'm about to do something very off limits, very much not allowed, something I have no idea how to do and I've never done before. I'm going to use the biggest mixer we have. Now, you're only supposed to use this mixer if you are a certified slime chef or Andrea. I am neither one of those things, but I kind of want to see if I can make the biggest slime you've ever seen, like fill up this entire thing with one slime. So I'm gonna go for it. I'm really nervous, but we'll see. All right, I'm just gonna fill this thing up with a ton of glue, a ton of activator, and we'll see how much slime does this really make. Oh my God, that scared me so bad. I took all of the glue that I could find in the rest of the literal warehouse and put it in here, and it's not even halfway full. Like, if I had more glue, I could double the size of this slime. All right, for my first thing, I think I'm gonna try to pick the color. I really don't have an idea of what color I want to pick, so I think maybe I'll just blindfold myself, grab something, and stick it in, and then I'll open my eyes. This is not a blindfold, I just closed my eyes because I got lazy. And the color is red. All right, that's great. That's my favorite color, so I'm happy with that. Now it's time to pick a scent. And as you can see, we have so many. I could not possibly pick one out of all of these. So I think I'm just gonna close my eyes and grab one. I'll cover my eyes this time to make it more fair. This one feels good. Brown sugar. Okay, I can work with brown sugar. I don't know what is red that has brown sugar in it. Red velvet cake. You know, this isn't even really like a challenge though, is it? Because I'm having a great time. There's nothing challenging to me right now about making whatever slime I want in a huge warehouse all by myself. This is great so far. I cannot imagine how anything could possibly go wrong at this point. Okay, so I'm gonna add charms in a second. How do they do this? This sounds so hard to pull down. I'm gonna add charms in a second, but first I'm gonna mix up all this color and see. Oh my god, it's so loud when it turns on. And see how it looks and smells when it's all. Oh my god. Did I do something wrong? Oh my god, why is it doing that? I can literally barely see because of the pigment in the air. It's fine. Oh. My slime child. It's the size of me. All right, so while that is mixing, I'm gonna go pick out my charms for my red velvet themed slime. I'm looking for red charms that give me red velvet. Cherries, not so much. Red glitter? Yeah, I think this will be perfect. This is gonna take forever to fill this thing up with glitter.
Approximately 10 hours later.
I feel like that's a good amount. You know what? I think while I'm at it, I'm gonna go ahead and add some of these red heart charms in here. Just because, yeah, this is a red velvet themed cake. But I feel like when I think about red velvet, I kind of think of Valentine's Day, love, pink stuff, red stuff. So I think some hearts will go perfectly in this. I'm gonna go ahead and mix this up one last time, and then I think our slime will be ready. My problem now is that this is so much slime. I'm not really sure what to do with it or where to put it. So I can't leave it here because I don't want anyone to know that I was here. And I can't fit it into a bin because this is like probably the size of like 7 bins of slime. So I gotta figure out somewhere to put it. You know what? I know just the place. My problem is gonna be transporting it there. I think that's as much slime as I'm gonna fit on the cart for at least this trip. I might have to take a couple of trips, but it's like, oh no. It's like spilling off the side, so I'm gonna go take this to its final location. This was my fantastic idea. I'm gonna take all of this beautiful slime that I just made, and I'm gonna add it to our very conveniently placed slime pool. The colors that are going on in the slime pool right now are pretty ugly, so I'm excited to add some beauty back into the mix. Well, you guys, I think I've officially made the biggest slime currently in the Peachybbies warehouse, so I'm pretty proud of that. But you know what? All of this slime making has made me really hungry, and I have a serious problem that I didn't really anticipate coming into this challenge. I'm gonna be honest, that burger that I may or may not have stolen from Christian for lunch was not the best. And as I stated before, I didn't bring any food with me to help me complete this challenge, so I think I'm gonna order some food. All right, I just ordered food, so that'll be here soon. I don't know if you guys can tell how much time has passed. Making slime takes a while, and it is currently 10:30 p.m. already, and I go to bed at about 11:30, so we have an hour to eat and get in everything else that I want to do in the warehouse. I've always wanted to sleep in a pillow fort, so I thought, what better way for me to sleep in the Peachybbies warehouse than to make a pillow fort out of all of the pillows in the break room. Let me show you guys what it looks like on the inside here. It is honestly really cozy in here, and since I've already got it set up, I might as well just get some sleep now, because for me, this is bedtime. I just turned the lights off. Yeah, I'm gonna sleep for maybe 2 or 3 hours, and then we'll see what happens. It's like almost midnight right now, and I swear I can hear somebody knocking so loud on the door downstairs. I don't know what it is, but it won't stop, and I'm just waiting for it to go away. Update, I just tried looking out the window, and I can see somebody out there. I don't know what to do, but it's freaking me out, and they're not stopping knocking frantically. They're like right there underneath the balcony. I'm getting a phone call right now from an unknown caller. This is literally like a horror film. Hello? Oh, it's my door. Hello? Yeah, you can just leave it. You can just leave it outside. Thank you so much. Have a great night. Yeah. So we have a problem. I told the DoorDash delivery driver to leave the food outside, which was a stupid thing to say on my part. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it is definitely farther away than I can reach. And I still don't want to step outside because I've made it this far and I'm not losing this challenge right now. So it is time for a DIY project. If I take all 3 of these brooms and I tape them together, I should be able to reach the Cheesecake Factory. This is my beautiful broom creation that is going to help me retrieve that bag. Okay, we're gonna add another broom. I now have 3 brooms all connected to each other. I feel like this is gonna work, but nobody tell Robert that I did this to his brooms because I know that he's very protective of his brooms. Oh, God, that was so close. Oh no. Working so hard with those brooms to get this food inside really worked up my appetite, so I am gonna sleep well tonight. All right, it's officially time to go to bed. I just looked in the mirror. I'm so tired. It is currently 2 in the morning. I'm going to sleep. If someone else tries to break into the warehouse, that's not my problem because I'm gonna be sleeping, so good night. Well, I did it. I survived 24 hours in a slime factory. I may have not slept much, but I did it. I didn't leave the building. I didn't get caught. I can't say it was fun. It was a little scary, but it did happen and I did do it. It is 9:30 in the morning right now, so I stayed over 24 hours. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I really want you guys to comment down below what you would have done if you had had the opportunity to spend 24 hours alone in the Peachybbies warehouse, because I want to know if did I optimize it or... Hey, good morning.
You're here early.
Yeah, sometimes I just come in early without sleeping here. I come in early and I don't sleep here overnight. I come in early in the morning time and I get stuff done.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so.
Well, I have a really good video idea. Do you want to come help me?
Yeah,